Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to master the Italian Flashcards extension to help you effectively memorize new vocabulary and practice your spelling. Once you've installed the extension, start a session by selecting your preferred topics, or leave them all unselected for a randomized mix. Next, choose your session length, either by the number of words or by setting a timer, and hit start. If you get stuck, don't worry, you'll see a helpful hint showing the number of letters in the word. You have 2 attempts to spell each word correctly, and if you don't get it by the second try, the correct spelling will appear for you to retype, which is a great way to reinforce your memory. You can track your progress in real time with the pass and fail indicators at the bottom and the color-coded bar at the top, and once your session ends, you'll see a summary with the option to jump right back in for another round. If you want to go beyond our built-in library of 1,000 words, you can add your own by donating to support the project, which gives you a unique code to unlock our premium features. With that code, you can download our template, add your own words, translations, and custom categories in Excel or Google Sheets, then simply upload the file to have your custom flashcards ready to use instantly. You can use your code to update your library as often as you like, but even if you prefer to stick with the standard version, you can always support us by clicking the link at the bottom of the app. Happy learning, and good luck with your Italian!